Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just had my hair done today, so it's a bit bright. What do you think? I mean, I love platinum, but it needs to tone down a little, I think. And as you can see all around me, I have these really cool little rainbows on my wall. And it's all because of my chandelier up there. But it just makes it, I think, a little bit happier. I like colors. I like warm colors, and I love the sun. So this just cheers me up a bit. A lot of people have asked about what's in my purse because I carry a pretty good sized bag. So here's my bag. It's a Marc de Fang, and considering the size, it holds a lot of stuff. So let's get to it. The first thing I think is, well, my sunglass case and my sunglasses. There aren't the actual sunglasses that belong in here, but I'm forever losing them left and right. So, got my sunglasses in there. Now, it's quite handy and it's a good case because nothing gets damaged. So, also, let's see here, I carry, because if you've watched other videos, I have breast cancer, and I've also been a 2-time transplant recipient. So because I'm on lots of steroids, I become a steroid-induced diabetic. So I need to monitor my blood sugar twice a day. So this is a must-have in my purse, just in case. So that goes with me. It's pretty self-explanatory. If I start feeling icky or woozy and hungry, I always carry granola bars. Just cheap and cheerful, but they're actually quite tasty, so not bad. Also, got my keys. Don't worry, it's faux fur. It's totally washable. I've got a lot of keys. And an added bonus, I love Chanel No. 5. I found this at a charity shop for 50p. It's a bargain for this cute little keychain. So that's my keys. What else do we have here? A little shum. Yes, hairspray. Because there's nothing wrong with a little touch up here and there during the day. Also, I've got Frizz serum. Just a teeny weeny little sample there. But it does the job if you're having kind of a bad hair day and frizzies, which I get quite often because I have baby fine hair. Cute little, and I found this at the pound shop, collapsible hairbrush. So it's got the compact on one side and pop, it's got the brush on the other. So yeah, that's quite handy. And it collapses up to save space. So also, what do we got? Yes, nail file. Go. It's a crystal covered nail file, Swarovski, and it's made of glass. You could see it's been very well used because it's like 3 years old. Yes, it's clean. It's just very old, but it comes in handy. I use my, if I get puffy eyes, I'm getting tired, or I don't feel very well, I have my Clinique All About Eyes serum. And it's got a cool little roller baller on the end. So you just pop that on there and let it dry. And yeah, it helps take puffiness out or reduce tiredness. So that's always a good thing. Also, I have my Clinique. It's a moisture spray. It's just, you know, you get the promotional things, you get the little samples. It's very good for your skin. It's very cooling. Here, I'll give it a try. Just spray it like so, and it just feels so nice on your skin in weather like this. Now, this looks rather strange, heads up, but toothbrush and toothpaste. And the toothbrush, added bonus, is, now if I can figure it out without breaking a nail, okay, it's collapsible. So I don't think, there we go. Yay! So you just open it and it closes like that. And there you go. You brush your teeth on the go. Especially when I'm out, I eat out a lot, or I'll have snacks and things that get stuck. And it's a little embarrassing. So, yeah. I have my wallet. Well, one of my wallets. It's just a little pouch. It's got like change, cash, credit cards, all the usual things. It's a very good size considering I have too many loyalty cards to too many grocery stores. So I really should clean that out. I carry a pen and my notebook or a planner. It's my planner. It's quite big, but it packs a wallop. I can't go anywhere without it. My life is in here. And a pen. So I need that. And, well, okay. A stuffed donkey, which, I don't know. I guess everyone carries a stuffed donkey. And I have a Chihuahua, and it's one of his toys, so I guess everyone carries dog toys around. I have to think about that one. Okay. I've got some really good Vaseline Intensive Hand Care. It's got the antibacterial in it as well, which is good. And it's very moisturizing, and the smell isn't too overpowering. But if I forget that, I have another little moisturizer I use for my face. Also, I use hand gel, especially when I'm going to the hospital, like the chemotherapy unit, or different places for appointments. This is a must-have, so this is a definite bonus. And everything is purse size, so it's really cheap. I carry my, here it is, my tinted moisturizer. It's good on the go if you just want some light coverage, especially in weather like this. So, and it does the trick. It gives you the moisture and a little tint of color. Also, I carry my compact. So it's just got my mirror, again, another mirror, which I need like another hole in my head. It's got the powder and the brush, or, well, sponge, my bad. Ooh, wrong side. So, yeah, I put that on top of the daily moisturizer, just to set things in place. And one of my favorites is for those days you don't want to wear lipstick. You just want a nice little plumping, little bit of a tint to your skin, your lips, is the Lip Maximizer from Christian Dior with collagen. And it really does give you a bit of plumping there. And I also use the Lip Glow, and that works really well also. I sometimes put that on under my lipstick, or I use it as is. And then I've got my favorite lipstick, the MAC Velvet Teddy. That's like my main staple go-to day, night, Christmas, bar mitzvahs, whatever. This is it. It's just natural and goes with everything, even going to a parole hearing, whatever, it works. Hard candy. Who doesn't have hard candy? You don't want to get into that awkward position of finding someone you know, and, oh, that wasn't good. And, you just don't want to run into someone with really bad breath after having pizza or onions, so. And we have a weird thing here, like, as you can tell, I'm American, and we have a weird thing here in the UK we don't have in America. It's a prepaid electricity meter thing. It's a key that you open, and you put it inside the box, and you get credit on your cards. So if you choose not to pay a bill, you can prepay for your electricity, which is, I think, quite handy, to be honest. And it just folds back up, and it's your key. And the same applies, actually, for the gas as well. It's somewhere in my bag here, but let's see if we can find it. Anyway, there we go. Yep, gas cards. You get the idea. You can prepay, and it's really quite handy, and I wish they had it in America. So I hope you enjoyed exploring everything in my purse. I hope I didn't scare some of you with the weird stuff, like the stuffed donkey and the toothbrush in with the stuffed donkey. Yeah, so I would really appreciate it if you liked my channel, because I'm still fairly new, and please subscribe. Thanks for looking into my personal life, and I hope you all have a good day. Thank you. Bye, guys.